You'll need a 10mm wrench and some tape. The rear turn signals are located in the rear light housing. Begin by opening the tailgate. There are 2 tabs behind the housing and 2 bolts on the inside to remove the housing. Use your 10mm wrench to remove the 2 bolts. Apply tape to the outside of the housing. Hold the tape and pull the housing back to free the locking tabs behind the housing. We highlight here where the tabs from the housing lock into the frame. Remove the turn signal socket by turning it counterclockwise. Pull out the incandescent bulb. Replace it with the LED and test it. Line up the tabs on the socket with the slots in the housing. Pull the wire free from the clip to give yourself some more slack when installing the bulb. Install the socket and turn it clockwise to lock it. Line up the locking tabs on the housing with the frame and push the housing in to lock them. Replace and tighten the 2 10mm bolts. Now repeat those steps on the other side. Use your 10mm wrench to remove the 2 bolts. Apply tape to the outside of the housing and pull the housing back to free the locking tabs behind the assembly. Remove the turn signal socket by turning it counterclockwise. Pull out the incandescent bulb, replace it with the LED, and test it. Pull the wire free from the clip to give yourself some more slack when installing the bulb. Install the socket and turn it clockwise to lock it. Line up the locking tabs on the housing with the frame and push the housing in to lock them. Replace and tighten the 2 10mm bolts. These new LED bulbs are much brighter than the incandescent bulbs. Plus, these LEDs are canvas with no error code, flickering, or hyperflashing.